students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, find the 20th term of the arithmetic progression 4, 7, 10 by using formula. So general term of arithmetic progression an for any nth term will be equals to a plus n minus 1 times d, and in the given arithmetic progression value of a or our first term is 4, and our common difference, which is difference of any two consecutive terms, that is a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2 and so on. So let's do a2 minus a1, that is 7 minus 4 will get 3. So our common difference is 3. So using this a and d, we will find 20th term. So a20 will be equals to a plus 19d. Okay, so our a is 4 plus 19 times 3. So which is equals to 4 plus 57. This will be equals to 61. So our 20th term is equals to 61. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.